Okay guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be replacing the broken fridge handle on a Frigidaire fridge. My wife taped off this handle, and you can see I tried to glue it, but it didn't work. To find the model number, you're going to find a tag behind this cover. Then you're going to go onto Amazon and order the appropriate handles for your fridge. They usually come in a pack of 2. You need a screwdriver like this. It's a square. There's 2 mountain screws on the top of the fridge. And there's a button. There's another screw at the bottom there. Now, I'm going to show you a problem with the product that I ordered. Some people complain that the handle doesn't fit quite right. It's too high up. I'm going to show you how to fix this. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. And you see the height there? It doesn't quite fit. It's just off by about half a centimeter. You're going to take the old white part on the broken handle and put it on the new handle. You're going to see the depth is different. And you're going to use the new screw on the new handle to put the old white piece on. Just be careful how tight you tighten it, because you don't want to strip it. Then you're going to want to tighten the bottom screw as well. There you go, that's an absolute perfect fit. Put the 2 screws back in. Now just put these on finger tight. You don't want to over crank these or you'll end up breaking the plastic. Just like that. And like I said, don't forget to replace the broken old piece with the new one, or it won't fit on your fridge. And then once you're done, you can just discard the old broken handle. Thanks for watching, guys.